Preparation of Cupiello's cornetto or croissants is quick and easy. Use only ventilated or static ovens, not microwave. Carefully stretch parchment paper on the baking tray and properly space the products on it, arranging them on the corners so as to avoid paper crumpling. Place the cornetto following the specific patterns according to the kind of oven used, always keeping in mind the difference between standard, MAXI and mini sizes. Always check the specifications on packaging and strictly follow the suggested baking procedure. Turn the tray in the oven 5 minutes before the end of the scheduled time of baking. Cool the products in a fresh and ventilated place at least 5 minutes before placing them in the window. Respect the distances between trays and never cool the products in the window. Place the products near the register to simplify service. Don't overlap the products in the window, and remember to put a taste tag to facilitate customers' choice. Do you want to enrich the product? Add more filling on one or both sides of the cornetto between the first and second coil, and leave a drop visible outside so as to make the flavor recognizable.